Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the FX4 Off Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, the nice blacked out Ford logo. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, with a nice tailgate step. We do get a nice black platformed gripped running board, side view camera with spotlights, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. Moving to the front real quick, we do get front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior. You got cup holders, rear vents, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt right there as well. And of course you can lift up the seats for a split folding rear bench seat for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop, auto start, lights, spotlights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 298 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with USB, USB-C. You got your center console here as well with tons of more storage, rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with your engine start stop. You have heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt, and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. We got a nice powered rear window opener as well. And look at here, we do have our park assist hill. You do get your 360 view of the vehicle where you can click the different camera angles, such as your backup camera, all that jazz, hazards, and traction. And looking here, we do have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or you can have some YouTube on here as well. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA37418, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.